Okay, so I'm just applying some of my cheap Craft Smart matte black paint to a 9 by 12 canvas, and I'm going to pre-paint this canvas all black, then dry it off, and then I'm going to show you all step by step how to paint a really simple and beautiful peony. Okay, so now that the canvas is all dry, I'm going to start applying the paint colors that I want to use for this, and feel free to change yours up if you like. I have a version in magenta and a deep quinacridone if you guys want to see that one. I did that one a few years ago, and I've been wanting to do one in crimson red. So I've got my red here. I'm going to add a little bit of neon pink for a lighter shade. And then I'll bring it up a little bit lighter, maybe a few peach tones with some lemon yellow. And I'll also be using some titanium white and my filbert brush, roughly 1 inch. I've got it a little bit wet just to dampen those bristles. And I'm going to start with straight crimson red. And just come around and add sort of an oval shape like this, just pulling. And then I'm going to pull that in towards the center. We don't want the center of the flower to be black, so we can come in with some red there as well. And then we'll just have some larger petals in the front, but this is just the base coat. We're not going to actually paint the highlights and the main shape of them just yet. Okay, so once you've got sort of a roughly edged egg shape, you're going to want to come in with some pink. And we're just going to start pulling from the end of these petals, making them a little bumpy. The idea is to have them lighter on the edges and darkest in the center. Now I'm going to take some white and some yellow with that pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and take some more pink and white. I'll gradually add some yellow after, but if I apply the yellow now, it's going to get sort of a muted tone of peach skin color that I don't really want. So I'm going to just start with the pink and the white. And the petals start to kind of make a little cup and curve over. So we can make it look like that by adding more and more light. And as we add that light, we're going to just create this little curve. It's very similar to painting waves when waves are curling over. So a little bit of pink, a little bit of white. And you just want to create these little curvy shapes. And then another one right here. And then one that comes here and curls around. I have a little water splotch there coming out of my brush, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of pink, a little bit of white. And just get the tips of these little petals. Now, depending on how much light you want on your petals, that's up to you. Just add more and more white on the ends of them. I'm being a little bit more generous because I'm painting this on a black primed canvas. Now I'm going to start coming in with the center of the flower and switch over to one of my smaller ones. I've got my little round brush here. I'm going to get it a bit wet. And I'm going to take a little bit of the pink and the white to start. Pretty much dry brush. So mix the paint up and then wipe most of it off. And right about here is where you want to be at. Now we're going to leave a dark line right under that lip of the petal. I'm just going to go around these edges, making them a little messier and ruffly looking. I'm going to take a dry brush again. And I know I've got a little water splotch in there. That's okay because I still need this to be dark in this area. Just very soft shade of dusty pink up there. I'm going to add a little line in here. Bring this down a little closer together. Okay, now let's take some pink, yellow, and white, and let's just tap and dab all those little seeds or little pollen areas. Where I had my finger and didn't realize it was still wet. So I'm just filling that in. I'm going to take some pink and white again, and I'm going to bring out another little wiggle and then close together. A little bit more white for separation so we can separate those two petals. Okay, and then we're going to come in and add another little ruffly petal here. Take a little bit of white. Okay, then a little bit more pink, a little bit more white. I'm going to mix up a little bit of yellow now. So the yellow, the pink, the white. Okay, and I'm going to add a little dab of white in with the yellow and soften these, make them just a little bit brighter. And I want to bring in a little bit more of this deep, beautiful crimson red. And go just in between these petals. And in the seed area right there. Okay, with a little bit more yellow and white. Apply the brightest highlights right here. Okay, this painting's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.